we're following that cop right here. As you know, that PZ4 just got arrested. The whole situation feels extremely fishy, and I think Project ZORGO is actually behind all this. That's why I think that cop right there might be a PZ member. So we need to follow him and figure out if he actually is, because PZ4 is innocent. Where's he going? Wait a minute. He just went into that donut shop. Maybe he is a real cop after all. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and go inside Dunkin' Donuts to convince the cop that PZ4 is innocent. Plus, I think today they have a buy one, get one free special of my favorite donut, the Bavarian cream. So, either way, I'm going in. Oh my gosh. Is that a hacker? I think that's the hacker that just came out. It's back on. I don't know if that cop is trustworthy anymore. Did he go in there and change in the bathroom or something? Okay, let's just go inside and see if that cop is still in there, because if the hacker just went out and the cop is not in the donut shop, we know that the hacker and the cop are the same person. Let's go find out. All right, guys, we're in here. Where is the cop? He's not here. I knew it! I knew the cop is the hacker. He's not in here right now. Yeah, where is it? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, that was the cop right there. He just came out of the men's restroom. And he bought a drink in there. That's kind of gross. But anyways, he's not the hacker. So let's get back to following that cop, because I still need to convince him that PZ4 is innocent. I mean, what is he doing here? Is he going for a walk? Is he exercising? Probably after eating all those donuts, he needs to exercise. Wait, what was that? Was that the dog? That tree. That tree's moving really weirdly. Okay, guys, maybe I'm being a little too paranoid right now, but it might just be the wind, because like the wind is kind of blowing my hair a little bit right now. But anyways, let's get back to the cop. Wait a minute. Where did he go? Where did he go? I saw that lady before. Is he in this park? Oh my gosh, did you guys see where that cop went? I don't know where he went now. It kind of looks like a dog that the cop uses. No, maybe not. I'm just gonna go in a different direction here. Wait a minute. What is this? Is this a note? Is that a hammer? That definitely looks like a Project ZORGO language to me. Does this look like a clue to you guys? Maybe I'll ask Chad and Daniel if they know anything about this. Chad, I just found this clue at the park. Yeah, Chad, do you know what this is? It's...
We got those blue things too. We found them too. PZ4 is leaving them behind as clues to help us figure out her name.
Wait, these are PZ4 clues? Oh my gosh, okay. All right, so how do I solve this?
Okay, V, what you gotta do is you gotta shine a black light on here and it'll reveal a clue.
All right, I do have my black light with me, of course.
Good luck, V. See ya.
Okay, well, I'll see you later then. Let's solve what PZ4's name is. Okay, let's see, how do we find this out? My black light right here. Okay, what do you guys see? What do you guys see? Oh, a lip. Lip. And it has an arrow pointing down to the U. I wonder if that's the key. That's actually really smart, because Project ZORGO also always uses the symbol key equals blank, but I think PZ4 is using a different key. So her key is probably lips equals U. So if lip equals U, hammer must equals, hammer equals P. Okay, P. Wait, does her name start with the letter P? Is it like Petunia? Penelope? Phoebe? What is it? It's cut off. I need more pieces of these papers. Wait. Wait a minute. Are those hackers in the bushes? Are they right there? Oh my gosh.
Hey man, check it out. On this camera, we got the footage of us framing PZ4. Don't let it get in the wrong hands, or else we might be the ones going to jail.
I'll guard it. I'll make sure no one gets a hand on it, especially V. Also, do you have $1? I'm quite hungry.
Man, I'm sorry. I ain't got no dollars.
Well, let's commence our plan.
Oh my gosh, you guys, do you guys hear that? They have the camera with all the evidence that's gonna frame PZ4. So we need to get those cameras, you guys. Okay guys, there were 2 hackers, I believe. One went this way and one went that way. I'm just gonna go this way. All right guys, where is that hacker? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are there 2 of them? There's one here and there was one there. Okay, wait, which one has the camera? I can't tell. Is it this one? Or is it that one? All right guys, comment below which hacker had the camera. Hacker left or hacker right? I'm not quite sure which one it was. There's nothing on that one's hand, I don't think. How about that one? Okay, wait, is he vlogging? He's vlogging right now. Okay, it's not that guy. Okay, I'm gonna follow this guy right here. Okay, he's definitely vlogging. Gotta be quiet, guys. Wait a minute. Look at the hacker. He's in the tree. He's actually in the tree. He's vlogging in the tree. Okay, I'm gonna actually go over there. Alright guys, since he's vlogging right there, I'm gonna try and distract him. I'm just gonna write a note, a PZ note, so he can like put the camera down somewhere so I can take it and get the evidence to save PZ4. I'm gonna get my spy notebook out. I'm just gonna write a random note just to distract him. Heart, anger symbol. Okay, yeah. Okay guys, I have no idea what this means. Doesn't matter, because it's just a distraction. All right, let's leave this for the hacker. Alright guys, I put the note right there. I'm gonna distract him with this so I can see it. Oh, he's falling for it. Come on. He found, got the note. Okay, he is distracted. He's reading the note right now, but where's the camera? Where's the camera? Is it right there? In the tree? Oh my gosh. Gosh. It's way up there. I can't reach that. Oh gosh. Alright, I think I have to climb this tree to get the camera. Right there. Oh crap! Oh my gosh! Oh, he's not chasing after me. Oh, he's getting the camera. Okay, let's hurry up. Wait a minute. Is he meeting up with another hacker? There's 2 of them now. They're moving. They're on the move. Where are they going? I can see that guy still has the camera. All right, guys, that did not work. Unfortunately, he got the camera. He put the camera up super high. But you guys, let's move to plan B because we need to get that camera somehow. I heard one of them saying that they were hungry. I think they're still right there. Okay, and they were looking for some snacks or some drinks. There's actually a concession stand down there that way. Since they're walking all the way over there, I'm actually going to plant this dollar bill here. Just gonna plant it around the concession stand. They have to go there because Project ZORGO can't resist money, right? You know they're just gonna take it. Hopefully the PZ member is gonna go to the concession stand, buy something, and that's gonna be my chance to take the camera back and save PZ4. If you like that idea, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up right now. Hopefully that works. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait a minute. I think that one was saying that it was thirsty or taking a snack. Oh wait, there's a fountain. I'm actually gonna leave the dollar right here. Hopefully he goes and get a drink. And I'm gonna hide. Over here. I'm gonna hide over here. Okay, there's the water fountain. Oh, there he is. Concession stand. It's right there. There's the hacker. The fountain. That's where I put the doll out, you guys. Oh, he's doing it. He's gonna take a drink. Oh, he's using the short one though. Use the tall one. You're tall, man. Use the tall one. Oh, he is. He's about the dollar. He's looking around. What is he gonna do with it? Is he gonna keep it? Or is he gonna... What's he gonna do? He's gonna return it. No, of course. PZ member. He's actually... Yep, he's just gonna take it. And he's gonna spend it already. Oh my gosh. He's going to the concession stand. Oh, he's just waiting for his order. This is my chance. That's the camera in his pocket. Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, he's right there. He's waiting for his drink. Alright. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Wait, what? Hey, give me the camera! Give me the camera! Stop! Stop, PZ member! You coward! Your hacking skills suck! Your vlog sucks too! Stop! Wait, what?
My vlogs?
Yes, your vlogs, they suck too. You don't even post on Project ZORGO YouTube page anymore.
You see this?
I see you. I see you.
Well, how about this for vlog footage?
I ducked. Your spider skill sucks too, man. Yes. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Right now. Oh my gosh. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Give me your camera.
Give me yours.
No. Give me your camera.
Stay down.
No. Give me the camera. I got the camera, guys. I got the cameras. Okay, guys. This camera has all the footage that proves that PZ4 is innocent. So I think I should go deliver this to the authorities. Speaking of authorities, I think that cop that we were following earlier, I think he is trustworthy. I don't think he's part of Project ZORGO. I don't think he's a PZ member from the restroom. So maybe he is just a regular cop. And I'm just being a little paranoid because Project ZORGO made me that way. He's gotta be around this park somewhere, you guys, because that's the last time we saw him. I need you spy ninjas to keep an eye out. Let me know in the comments if you see him anywhere. Okay. Wait. Is that someone in black? Oh no, that's not it. That's not them. Let's just kind of approach him slowly now, just to make sure that it's not a PZ member. Okay, you guys, here's the camera. Let's see. Okay, I think that is the officer. Excuse me, officer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my name is Qwaint. I have some evidence here that you're looking for a girl in a mask, and this is evidence that she is actually innocent. I want to present this evidence to you.
Okay, what did you say your name was again?
Qwaint.
We have a Qwaint here. Last seen with our suspect known as Girl in the Mask. I'm gonna take her in for questioning.
No, yeah, the girl in the mask, her name is PZ4. Well, that's what her alias is. And there's evidence on this camera right here that proves that she's completely innocent.
All right, Miss Qwaint, let's go ahead and see what you got there.
PZ4, I don't think anyone followed you, and no one's home. I think this is the perfect time to destroy the laptop. Wait, no. No, see, I was helping PZ4 in there. So the person that we're actually trying to, the laptop is from a bad person. I was helping PZ4. This is not what it looks like. This is not what it looks like at all.
It does actually look like you're aiding and abetting this girl in the mask with breaking and entering.
No, we're being framed right now. She's at a hacker house, and we're trying to stop this hacker from releasing this virus to the world.
Miss Qwaint, this looks like some pretty compelling evidence against yourself.
No, this camera right here I took from the hacker, and they completely tricked me. They tricked me to getting this and presenting this fake evidence to you guys. They wanted me to take this camera. I'm being tricked right now.
I'm gonna have to take you in for some questioning.
No, I'm completely innocent. This camera belongs to Project ZORGO.
I'm gonna have to ask you to put down the camera.
No, I'm putting it down. I'm putting it down.
The other camera.
No, but I'm innocent. What are you doing? Okay, I'm putting the camera down. I'm innocent. I'm totally corroborating, but I'm letting you know I'm innocent. I don't think I should be handcuffed though. Just please, just let me.
Stop resisting, Miss Qwaint.
I'm not resisting. I'm just.
It'll be such an easier process.
I just want to let you know I'm innocent. Please stop. Please.
Relax,
please.
man.
No, please.
You gotta calm down.
The